Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve a Leetcode problem number 20, valid parentheses. If we are seeing a problem talking about parentheses, it is always use a data structure called stack. So the stack data structure is a first in, last out, we call filo data structure. For example, this is ABC, we put the ABC inside the stack. When we pop it out, it is the CBA. So this is basically the structure. For example, here we put a D and we pop it out. It is always from the top. But this problem is asked to have to check if the string is a valid parenthesis, and it have the square parenthesis, curly parentheses, and also the bracket. So for all this kind of bracket, it is always open compared and paired with a closed bracket. We can use a stack to put everything inside. For example, this one, we put it here first, and then we put another one here. Before we put it here, we can first check it. If the top of the stack and the character can become a pair, so this is a pair, we just need to pop it out. If we pop it out, it is an empty stack. So if the string is like this, we can directly check if this is a valid parenthesis or not. Of course, this is a valid parenthesis. But for example, if there's another case, for example, it's like this one. Yeah, we have two open with one close. So we first need to check. So the stack from the beginning, the stack is empty. We need to check if there's a pair. Because it's an empty stack, of course, it cannot become a pair, so we put it inside. And another one, if it is a pair, we put it inside, it's not. And then we have the last character, this one. It's a close bracket. So this become a pair, this one will pop it out. And the stack still have one character, it's an open bracket. So we need to return this not stack. So because the stack is true, so the not stack is false. So that it cannot become a valid parenthesis. Now let's get to the code. Yeah, like this way, I think. Let's get started to code it. I will first, because we need to return something like true or false, so we will return not stack. So the stack in Python is directly can be defined as array. And because there are three kinds of brackets, we can define it easily in a brackets array. So the brackets will be an array, and inside it will be the open and close for each pair. And let's put another pair. I'm writing this way for the brackets because it is easier. Because in our code we don't need to write open and close brackets, because when we use an array, it is easily to compare with open and close. So here, let's put it for a string. Then I need to loop it. So for I say in a numerate as, let's check if there's something inside. So if there's something inside stack, and check the conditions. Here I will use any, and inside it I will use a array. So I will check one by one. If stack minus 1, the top equals open. So here I will use B, because I will use B to iterate each pair of them. So if stack minus 1 equals to let me check. Yeah, equals to B0, and C, the character equals B1, so they are a pair for B in brackets. We can stack pop. We put the something inside because it's a pair. We need to pop it out. Else, stack should append this character. Yeah, that's basically the entire code. Now let's run it to check if there's any error. Yeah, here, let's check it. Invalid pressures, I got a comma. Yeah, here is some invalid pressures, invalid syntax.